Got in, my boy. What's up? Are you still mad about what happened 2 episodes ago? Gon, are you mad at me for pushing you off the rails and down a hill?
Yes, I'm mad at you. You pushed me down a hill and stole my tender.
I gave it back.
Not before you were going to push it down the mine.
The mine was shut.
Oh, really? Then why was it closed? Maybe because you fell down it. Maybe because you drove into it without your driver.
That was years ago.
Are you sure? Because it feels like last year to me.
Do you want to fight?
Yes.
Good. Here you go.
Well, do you know why I've called you here?